The recent disturbances in the corporate world has generated a massive demand for corporate transparency. With the shaking confidence of business professionals and stakeholders, now more than ever, the credibility of an organization has come under scrutiny. When top management is busy managing general working, making time to mingle with stakeholders have become very hard for them. To deal with this situation, they are now hiring qualified professionals called company secretaries. A company secretary plays an important role in the smooth functioning of a corporate entity. One can confidently believe that a career as a company secretary is not only exciting but also very rewarding. So, if you are ready for this exciting journey, then watch this short video and learn about the CS course and the career of a company secretary. The responsibilities of a company secretary play an important role in the company they are associated with. Their role commands over the smooth functioning of the administration process in the business environment. A company secretary has multiple duties which vary depending upon the role they have been assigned. Some of the top responsibilities that you will have to deal with include giving legal advice to your seniors in the company, maintaining legal records, executing audits, signing the annual report, executing foreign collaborations and joint ventures, and many more. A company secretary commands a high position in the value chain and acts as a conscious seeker of the company. Since there is a wide range of work that a CS can do, there are different types of jobs assigned to them. The different capacities in which a company secretary can work include job profiles like company registrar, legal advisor, chief administrative officer, corporate planner, principal secretary, corporate policy maker, member of the board of directors, and various miscellaneous responsibilities. To become a company secretary, you will have to complete your CS program. The Institute of Company Secretaries of India is a premier national body responsible to conduct examinations for the CS program. The course is completed in 4 levels that include Foundation Program, Executive Program, Professional Program, and Management Training. The education requirement for each level of the program varies. If you have completed your higher secondary education, then you can get admission in the first level of the program, which is the foundation level. But if you have completed your graduation, then you can skip the first level and directly enter into the executive level. And then, with the completion of each level, you will be promoted to the next program. The job of a company secretary is very rewarding in terms of finance. Initially, you may be earning up to 30,000 per month, but with time, experience, and potential, you can end up earning as much as 1 crore rupees per annum. Different job profiles, companies, and experience mean different salary package. While this profession has tremendous growth potential, it also requires a lot of hard work and dedicated hours from a person. As a company secretary, you may have a lot of work pressure on you, but the increasing market demand for a CS will never run out of fuel. So, hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. And do not forget to visit our official website www.collegedekho.com.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.